Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Oppo Reno 8T 5G. This is one of the latest additions to Oppo's Reno series and boasts some impressive specs and features, so let's dive in. Design. The Oppo Reno 8T 5G features a sleek and stylish design with a 6.43-inch AMOLED display and a 90Hz refresh rate. The device is available in two stunning color options, Galactic Silver and Starry Blue. The back of the device is made of glass and is smooth to the touch, giving it a premium look and feel. Camera. One of the standout features of the Oppo Reno 8T 5G is its camera. It boasts a triple rear camera setup, with a 48-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The device also features a 16-megapixel front-facing camera, perfect for taking great selfies. The camera on this device is capable of taking amazing photos, with great detail and color accuracy. Performance. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 8T 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset and comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This device is capable of delivering smooth and fast performance, whether you're gaming, browsing the web, or just using it for everyday tasks. Battery. The Oppo Reno 8T 5G comes with a large 4500 mAh battery, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of use. The device also supports 65W fast charging, so you can quickly recharge the battery when it's running low. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Oppo Reno 8T 5G is an impressive device that offers a great combination of design, performance, and features. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking for a great 5G device, this device is definitely worth checking out. Price. The Oppo Reno 8T 5G is priced at around $450, which is a great price for a device with such high-end specs and features. When compared to other devices in its class, the Reno 8T 5G offers great value for money. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content. See you in the next video.